Hi again, it's Miss Dunwell. I'm going to read you this book. Are those his or hers? You say his when you're talking about a boy, and you say hers when you're talking about a girl. Are these his or hers? Are these clothes his or hers? Are they his or are they hers? These socks are his socks. These shorts are hers. These shorts are hers. These pajamas are his. These are his pajamas. These shirts are hers. Her shirts. These jackets are his. These two jackets are his. That little boy. These hats are hers. She has a purple hat and a blue hat. The hats are hers. Are these jeans his or hers? They are his and hers. These jeans are his. These jeans are hers. The end.